How to apply to study in Malaysia. Step 1. Choose to study in Malaysia. Step 2. Decide on a course and an institution. Step 3. Check entry requirements for course and visa. Step 4. Apply for the course. Step 5. Receive your letter of offer. Step 6. Receive VAL, Visa Approval Letter. Step 7. Apply for your visa. And finally, Step 8. Plan your travel. Axiom offers professional guidance to Bangladeshi students who intend to study in Malaysia. We'll be with you on each step from the initial general consultations to arriving in the country. We'll review your academic, professional, and financial circumstances along with your future study and career plans. According to your needs, we'll assist you in selecting a suitable course, place of study, and all other related issues. You'll get proper guidance from us, which will fully comply with the updated visa requirements. Our dedicated and well-experienced counselors are always ready to assist you in every step, such as your first visit to our office, admission, visa procedure, etc., until your departure to your desired destination. The typical procedure that you must take before starting your study in Malaysia is as follows. Step-by-step guide applied to Malaysia. Step 1. Attend a counseling session at Axiom. Attend a counseling session at Axiom to find out your options relating to choose the courses and institutions aligned with your career plans. To explore more study options in Malaysia, get your free download guide. To meet your Axiom Education Advisor, get an appointment. Step 2. Register in Axiom. Register with Axiom to start the admission and visa process. We can help you navigate through the various processes and make studying overseas easier. Remember, all our services are free of charge. Step 3. Apply for admission. Once you've decided what and where you want to study, we'll help you complete the application to the institutions of your choice. At the time of application for admission, you'll be required to submit several documents, including proof of previous academic qualifications and, in most cases, proof of your English language ability. An application pack will be sent to the university. The university may take up to 3 working days to send a letter of acceptance, LOA, or eligibility letter, or conditional offer letter via email if eligible. Documents for submission may vary according to universities. It's best that you inquire directly with your Axiom Education Advisor for detail. Step 4. Transfer the EMGS fees. Once you accept the offer, your education service provider or Institute of Higher Education will apply for your student pass on your behalf. You'll need to transfer the visa processing fee at the same time as medical screening and immigration fees. You'll also be required to go for a medical checkup in Bangladesh at EMGS-approved panel clinics. The results will be submitted to EMGS electronically and is a part of the requirements for your visa application. Step 5. Receive Visa Approval Letter or VAL. Once your visa approval letter or VAL is approved, the next step is to pay the tuition fee. Most Malaysian institutions require you to pay the first year fee only. You can choose to pay this fee through either telegraphic transfer, TT, or direct debit, DD. Our Value-Added Services Department at Axiom can help you arrange either of these payment methods. Once the institutions have received and processed your tuition fee payment, they will dispatch the original offer letter and VAL by courier to Axiom. Once we have received this, we'll notify you that it is now time to start the visa application process. Point to be noted, students must also obtain the visa approval letter or VAL before entering Malaysia. Step 6. Apply for visa. Fill up the visa application form and submit it with passport and other relevant documents at High Commission of Malaysia to obtain a single entry permit. Axiom will keep you updated as to the progress of your application and take the hard work out of tracking your application by keeping in contact with the visa office on your behalf. Step 7. Plan your travel. Once you've obtained a single entry visa, Axiom will help you organize your travel arrangements to begin your new student life in Malaysia. Air ticketing, insurance, and foreign exchange can all be arranged through us to make studying overseas easier. Axiom makes sure that your education institution knows of your travel plans, port of entry, flight number, arrival date and time, and they are notified at least 5 working days prior to your arrival in Malaysia. Kindly take note that you might need to be picked up by the university's representative at the airport in order to obtain clearance from the immigration checkpoint. Please note that many institutions prefer students to arrive from Monday to Friday. After arrival at the institute, within 2 weeks of the student's arrival, the educational institute submits the student's passport to the immigration department, which attaches the student pass sticker. So wait no more. If you're serious about preparing for a study abroad, our expertise can help you get ready and find the right university and course selection, university application, visa application, pre-departure assistance, and accommodation arrangements. Start your application now. More information down in the link below. Thank you for your time with Axiom. Have a good day.
One-stop solution for worldwide admission, visa support, immigration and travel. Axiom, committed to your success.